Good morning, students. I hope all of you are safe. Till here, we have completed ours about 6 lessons of this chapter. So today, in this my video, I am going to discuss some of the questions or assignments based on our 6 lessons. So let's begin the discussion. Yes. So these are the multiple choice questions. First question is, which of the following is an animal product? So the answer is milk. Why? Because all these three are the plant products. Now question number 2. The unwanted plants are known as weeds because these are the different types of the useful trees, but weeds are the unwanted plants. Question number 3. Dash are the chemicals used to kill pests. So the answer is pesticides. Pesticides are the chemicals used to kill pests. Question number 4. Which of the following is used for weeding? So the answer is khurpi. Khurpi is one of the way, or you can say one of the manual way of weeding. Question number 5. Which of these implement is used for weeding? Again, so this is the trowel, because these all are seed drill. These are used for the sowing the seeds, and these X cultivator are used for another agriculture practices. So trowel is one of the manual method through which the weeding can be done. Now we are moving our next slide. So question number 6 is what? Which of these is used for bulk storage of grains? Means after harvesting there is a need of storing the grain. So the answer is silos. In several silos, big granaries, the grains are being stored. Question number 7. Which of the following is a chemical fertilizer? So this is NPK, means and for sodium, phosphorus and potassium. That is very much essential for growing the crops. Question number 8. Which of the following is a rabi crop? So the example is wheat. Wheat is one of the example of rabi crop in which are grown in the summer season, not in the rainy season. Question number 9. 2,4-D is what? It is a weedicide. That is a chemical to kill the weeds. Question number 10. Which of the following tool is used for ploughing the field? So it is hoe. Hoe is one of the tool that is used for ploughing the field, that is involved in one of the you can say process of the soil preparation. Okay, so now we are moving to the next question. Question number 11. Which of the following crop is a kharif crop? We know that kharif crop is mainly grown in the rainy season. So here the maize is one of the example that we can take as the kharif crop. Question number 12. A long log of wood in a floor is called, so that is known as floor shaft. Floor shaft is a long log of wood. You can see in the picture of the floor there is a long log of wood with the help of which they are used to floor the land, and that long log of wood is called the floor shaft. Question number 13. The process of separating grains from chaff is called winnowing. So winnowing is the process that is done after the harvesting and threshing. So it is one of the process through which the separated grains are separated from the chaff. Now question number 14. Which one of the following condition is not essential to grow maize? We know that maize is what? Maize is, as we can see here, maize is one of the example of kharif crop. So in the one of the most important condition that is not essential is the low temperature. Yes, low temperature is one of the condition that is not required to grow maize, because it can be grown in the temperate latitude and even in the tropical region. So it is not essential that low temperature is required for its growth. Question number 15. Propagation of ginger is generally done using what? We know that ginger is what? The propagation, that is the vegetative propagation of ginger takes place with the help of the stem. So here The stem, that is known as rhizome, is one of the way by which the propagation of ginger is generally done. Now we have moved to our last slide. Here some fill in the blanks have been given. So let's discuss what could be the possible answers. So first question is what? First question is, the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called, that is called crop. Okay, that is called crop. Second question, the first step before growing crop is called the soil. What is this? The first step before growing the crop is the preparation of the soil. What is it? It is known as? It is known as the preparation of the soil. Third one, now the damaged seeds would float on the top of the water. So what would be written here? It would be written here, it is the float of the water. So question number 4, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight. And what is required for growing a crop? Sufficient sunlight, water and minerals from the soil are essential. So I hope these all questions are now clear to you.